This website is such a great opportunity to start earning money online if you are a student, a teacher, or doing other work and you want to do a second job to increase your incomes. Then you have clicked the right video, because this website will give you that opportunity and also make your PayPal account look like this. Like these people have worked there and earned so much money. This website will give you the opportunity to work with affiliate marketing, in which I have talked so many times in other videos as well, and I have proven to you that affiliate marketing is one of the best strategies that you need to follow right now to increase your incomes in the easiest way possible. And for doing that, you will just need your laptop or also your mobile phone. Now this is completely free, guys. You don't have to pay anything at all, and also is worldwide, so you don't have to worry where you're living right now, because it is available. Now you need to follow every step that I'm going to explain to you. Please don't skip any of them, because it will be harder to get it how you can earn money. Now, without wasting any more time, I will jump into more details, but first I would like to thank you for being part of my YouTube channel, and also for the new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also have a look at our other videos as well. Now, the website that I was talking is DIGISTORE24. So DIGISTORE24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods. So we are going to be concentrated on the affiliate network, in which we are going to use it as a strategy to earn money through this website over here, which is an amazing one, to be honest. Now I am going to show you the first step that you need to follow, and the first one is just signing up for free. As I said, it's a completely free website. You don't have to pay anything at all. Now just click on start now. It's free to sign up. As soon as you do that, they will be directed to this page, in which you are going to insert your details and start immediately working. Now you are going to be a vendor, not affiliate, and you have to put your username, email, password, and then your name, company address, and other things that they will require to you, but they are not necessary, by the way. You just have to register for free and you will be part. As soon as you register, you will be shown up at your dashboard your earnings. So the first thing that appears on Digistore is the earnings that you will get from this website, which is a good thing, because you will keep in track every earning that you will win through it. Now these are my earnings, guys. $10,000 I have made till now, and you can make more than me, or as I have done till now, and I'm going to show you how you're going to do that using the affiliate marketing, which is one of the best strategies you are going to follow right now. So first we will need to go to Digistore and then click on the marketplace over here, because it is the place that we are going to use. So here you are going to find digital products, different services and events, seminars, leadership, online marketing, sales trainings, and also physical products. As you can see, it has like many different categories that offers to you, in which you can work and you can choose whatever you like, guys. It doesn't depend on me, of course, but I'm going to show you which one is easier, of course, in which you can earn money, but you can also explore by yourself whatever you might like. I'm going to show you to be more focused on physical products, in which you have two options: skincare and supplements. We are going to click on supplements, of course. As you can see over here, the products will pay you very high, like earnings start from 120 euros. As you can see, just for promoting and sharing the affiliate link, you will get so much money for every click, guys. This is amazing. Now let's go to the supplements part, and here you are going to see the products that you are going to promote. Now one small trick that you have to keep in your mind is that you have to find those products who give you an affiliate support page. Those products who don't give you an affiliate support page, like this one, I would usually like ignore them, because you will have to contact them through an email, which will take you a lot of time until they will respond to you and you will start working. So that's a very boring and long long. You just need to find those products like this one over here, in which gives you an affiliate support page over here, in which you will click it, and I will show you what you will do with that affiliate support page. But first I will show you how you can get that affiliate link that you will be needing. So you just have it over here, but because it's too long, I will recommend you to shorten at the tiny URL website, in which you can shorten the very long links, because it's very suspicious for people as soon as they see a very long link, and they won't click it because they will be like, oh, that's something that will get me money and other things like this. So not to be suspicious and not to annoy people with a very long link, we are going to shorten it. After shortening it, and then I'm going to explain to you the affiliate site page in which I was talking about. And now here you are for this product, you are going to be guaranteed a 60% commission from the entire funnel. Now you just have to go to the end of this page, and here you are going to see download email swipes. The email swipes are the ones that you will be needing for this strategy to work with and promotion. For that, you will need to post on Instagram and find your internet traffic source. Now you are going to open an Instagram. It doesn't matter to have followers, it can be with 0 followers, because I'm going to show you a trick, guys, that you will be needing. This is a screenshot of a fitness Instagram, which has 1 million, just to show you how it will work. So after opening your Instagram account for fitness, you just have to put the link in bio of the affiliate link for that particular product. Now I'm going to show you where you can find the people to come to your account and click that affiliate link. So after opening and downloading, as I said, the email swipes over here, they will be opening in a Google document in which you can see them. Now we are going to create a post just by opening a new document over here, and you just need to write what I have written, but also you can explore other methods, like click the link in bio for the best way to lose weight, and then you're going to put your Instagram account at the end. Then you're going to copy paste the parts of the email 1 or email 2, it doesn't really matter, choose what fits your best. And after pasting it over also this part over here, then you are going to put at the end, click the link for more, and then you are going to put your Instagram account. Now this post will be promoted from another account, from another Instagram account who has a lot of followers, like thousands of followers, and will make you to come to your Instagram account and click the link in bio. And where you are going to find those followers? At shout cards. So here you are going to browse influencers, Instagram influencers. Now you're wondering that those influencers will need a lot of money, right? But I'm going to show you how you can find influencers who will promote your affiliate link for less money. What you will need to do is just register for free, and as soon as you are part of it, you can buy shoutouts from social media influencers, going to the category Instagram, and then finding the category fitness. And here you are going to be seeing the accounts that post for fitness and will post your Instagram account, in which people will come and click the link in bio. So this account has like thousands of followers, like 500,000 followers, also almost 1 million followers, and the prices are very low, like $10, guys. Only for $10 you are going to make thousands of dollars, just as me. So the only thing that you will need to do is just send them this thing over here, this description, in which they will create a post and will make people to come to your Instagram account and click the link in bio. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and also give a like to this video.